Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. Just want to show you something I picked up the other day. If you've ever used an inflatable AirShim, you know the problem. Under real load, they flex, curl, and then sometimes they give out. They don't last long. Well, this one doesn't. So this is the AirShim Pro Steel. It's made in the US. It's an upgrade from just the regular AirShim, which is like 300-pound rating. This is 350. And it's an inflatable pry bar to me, a leveling tool. And it's 350 pounds, it's built for real loads. The difference is there's a power lift, they call it a power lift plate. It's just a little steel metal plate right on one side, on the top here. And it's basically a reinforcement that lets you lift, level, and hold up to 350 pounds safely. They rate it for an hour. It must give out a little bit of air after a while. So look, setting cabinets, these things are great. We use them all the time. Slide underneath, pump it up, dial in your height without prying or shimming. And then, you know, you can shim afterwards, but this just kind of lets you kind of work your way up. It holds the load while you're fastening. There's no rush. For doors, I like it when I'm working alone. It lets you kind of lift the door just enough to kind of line up the knuckles on the hinges and things like that. You can use it on the jambs for micro adjusting reveals, keeping everything square, and avoiding, you know, dealing with the shims until you need them and until you're fastening. When you flip the steel side up, that's where I think this new model shines over the old generation one. It's perfect for heavier things like appliances where stability might matter. For example, it just stays flat, whereas under the other side, it kind of can curl around up on it. The bottom line is it's precision inflatable shim. The stability of the steel, I think, is what is going to give you a safer lifting motion as well as better control with it and way more confidence, especially if you're working solo. So I'm a big fan of tools that make our job more efficient and easier, and I'm going to pick up a few more of these for all the guys on the crew because they're just great. Take care.